नन्हे हैं तेरे कदम, लंबी है मंजिल की राह, पर रख भरोसा खुद पर, तुझको ही करना है कर्म महान। नवीन चल, पुनीत चल, मलंग बन तू स्वच्छंद चल, तू चल, तू चल, तू चल चल तू चल। अपनी जमीन पैदा कर, अपना आसमान पैदा कर, मांगने से तो जिंदगी भी नहीं मिलती ए दोस्त, तू अपना नया मुकाम पैदा कर। हर एक दीवार तू तोड़ तोड़, नदियों के मुख को मोड़ मोड़, हिल्लोर उठा झकझोर झोर, जर्रों से धूल उड़ाता चल, तू चल, तू चल, तू चल चल तू चल। जो ठहर गया तो थम गया, जो थम गया तो मिट गया, तू कदम बढ़ा, तू पंख लहरा, तू चल, तू चल, तू चल चल तू चल। चलो देखते हैं लोग कहाँ हैं ऐसे, जो जिगर में अपनी आग रखते हैं, हिल्लोर उठाते दरिया में कूदने का दमखम रखते हैं। जिंदगी ना हुई जिनकी सैर सपाट, उबड़ खाबड़ से गुजरते रहे, न थके फिर भी उनके कदम, वो चलते रहे, वो चलते रहे।
Mr. Sabyasachi Mittal is an alumnus of IIM Kolkata with 15 years of experience in the digital domain. He had a 7-year stint with Asian Paints, where he was the marketing manager. Apart from other duties, he led the digital marketing initiative at the company. He formed Interface Business Solutions in the year 2003, which is one of India's leading independent full-service digital agency. The company has its expertise in 360-degree digital marketing, including online media planning and buying, social media marketing, e-commerce software, and web management.
Personal, quality that I believe any entrepreneur will need is the ability to multitask. The difference between being in a job and being an entrepreneur is in a job you can always serial process whatever you had to do. So you can tell your boss, "Let me finish this presentation, then I'll give you that presentation." But when you're handling 50 clients and multiple functions, I cannot tell people that, "Boss, I'm working on client A's presentation. When I finish that, I'll think about you." You have to think about 50 clients and 100 employees at the same time. Especially for a small business, a startup, you have to be able to see through at least into the near future and have plan A, B and C in place. Because it mostly doesn't work right the way you plan. So if you're only going with one plan and it doesn't work, you have nowhere else to go. So you're back to the drawing board, and for a startup or an entrepreneur, time is probably the biggest wealth that we have, because the faster we can scale up, the easier it is to make it a more sustainable and scalable business. It's that sixth sense which tells you this is the right thing to do, because unless you're able to raise your rates, you're not going to be able to hire better people. And it's a chicken and egg story. At some point you bite the bullet and say, okay, this is the time I'm going to take this risk. So in every step as an entrepreneur, or for that matter in any business, you are at crossroads almost every day and you have to take a call. Sometimes you play safe, sometimes you take a risk. It's not that you take a risk every day, because then it becomes gambling. Simple point about a risk is you always have to take the worst case scenario and see, if this goes completely haywire, where will I be? Is that an acceptable situation? If it is, take the risk. Most successful entrepreneurs would have, and I think that's a defining quality that you need to be able to have, to be able to multitask and be able to move multiple needles at the same time. Okay, so cash flow management is therefore something which is very, very critical for any entrepreneur or any business, but more so for an entrepreneur, because we can't raise cash on demand. Banks don't give us overdrafts. There's no VC on tap. Even when you are running the business, you always need to know every expenditure that you're making, where is the cash going to come to pay that. It's very tempting, for example, to make an expenditure, because people will give you 30 days credit, 60 days credit, 90 days credit. But you need to know where is the money going to come for to be able to pay that. The other competency that works for us, and I guess for many successful companies, is to be in the business for the delight of the customer. Now that's not a singular competency, it basically brings in an entire philosophy saying that I am not in the business to make money, I am in the business to have happy customers. If I have happy customers, the end product is you are going to make money. So therefore, the ability to be patient and be able to struggle through crisis, fight through crisis, is what is the difference between somebody who survives for the long haul or somebody who can't. That is something which always stayed with me. The happiness of being able to run your own enterprise, however small it is a feeling which was always there. So while I went through Asian Paints working, it always used to come back and bite you, saying that maybe if I don't make so much money, it's fine. So it was not that tough for me, to go back to traveling by trains, because it couldn't have been worse than standing on terraces of buildings and pulling cable wires. The typical problem is the more you invest in your education, the more you fear being a failure.
ना संघर्ष ना तकलीफ तो क्या मजा है जीने में। बड़े बड़े तूफान थम जाते हैं जब आग लगी हो सीने में।
सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Mrs. Usha Bhagwan Kulkarni serves as the Executive Chairperson of Pratibha Industries Limited and has been its Executive Director since July 19, 1995. Mrs. Kulkarni serves as a Director of Pratibha Pipes and Structural Limited, Pratibha Struct Built Private Limited, Elegant Infrastructure and Real Estate Private Limited, Pratibha Developers Private Limited, and Pratibha Heavy Engineering Limited. Mrs. Kulkarni holds a Bachelor of Arts from the University of Pune.
माणसाचे नशीब त्याच्या हातात असतात. कर्तबगारी केलंच नाही तुम्ही तर पुढचा विचार करून तुम्ही फायदा नाही. तुम्ही करायला एकदा उडी टाका की तुमचा विश्वास आपोआप क्रिएट होतो. केल्याशिवाय होणार नाही. तू करणारच नाही आणि मग तुला कसं क्रिएशन होणार. विचार करून नाही होणार. आपल्याला ते पोहायला लागतं नाही का आपण डुबतो. अशा याने आपण हातपाय मारायला लागतो. चढ आहे तर उतार आहे. सूर्य उगवलाय तर तो मावळणार आहे. हे चढ उतार होणारच आहे. वेळेचं मूल्य जाणून टाइम मॅनेजमेंट वेळेचा सदुपयोग करणे ही फार महत्वाची गोष्ट आहे. प्रत्येक गोष्ट वेळच्या वेळी व निर्दोष म्हणजे परफेक्ट झाली पाहिजे हा आग्रह असावा. आता टेक्नॉलॉजी आजच्या युगामध्ये आपण काळाबरोबर सतत गतिमान राहणे आवश्यक आहे. आपण टेक्निकल लोक विकत घेऊ शकतो ना, पण आपण एकदा ऑनेस्टीने जर वागलं गेलं तर आपल्याला सगळ्या फील्डमध्ये लोक मिळू शकतात. प्रयत्न करणे हा मुख्य आपला विश्वास आणि स्वतःवरती मुख्य विश्वास. मग बाकीचं पुढचं आपण हे होतं.
न पूछो कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफर का इरादा किया है। न हारूंगा हौसला उम्र भर में, ये मैंने किसी से नहीं खुद से वादा किया है।
For decades, security dependents of every middle-class family relied only on two things, a watchman and a padlock. Nothing can happen to us, was the mindset fostered by Indians. With rising incidents of atrocities, Mr. Manohar Bide set to correct this mindset. He founded Zycom, a pioneer and leader in the field of electronic security in India. With over 450 crores in annual sales, operations in over 5 countries, 400 cities in India and over 1 million customers, Zycom is today synonymous with electronic security.
How I look at the leadership? In my view, the leader is the one who creates another leader. Okay. It's my dream to make this society safe and secure. Remain as my dream. I can't go everywhere, right? I need to have a team who also think like me. So I believe in the enrollment of the person, employee. I enroll him into my dream, what I want to do. And so my aim and goals should match his aim. He should see a place for him while achieving the dream of the company. So he can also attain his goals and dreams while achieving the goals and dreams of the company. Well, I'll say that yes, many Indians should come in this field. Okay, they should, because this is something which is really enjoyable. You face a lot of challenge and you can explore yourself in the best possible manner only in business, in entrepreneurship. You may be having the best of the qualities, but you may not utilize all your qualities while in the job. In job, you may require to do a specific thing, what is being told to you, what is your KRA. Okay. So, but in business it is not like that. You know, you can really develop your personality. You can do full justice to all your potential in business, in an entrepreneur. One need to take it seriously, whatever is doing in your career. You can always be successful provided you take it very seriously. And I think you need to aim higher. Okay, don't keep a small goal. Okay, of opting for a job or small. Don't settle for small things in life. Maybe it will take 3 years, 5 years, 10 years to achieve. Okay, but the journey towards that goal is very, very important. That is something new. So have a big goal. Like I kept a goal of securing the country. Okay. I know in my lifetime I am not going to secure the country, but that is the aim which will keep on driving me. Okay, that is never going to end. Okay, to see the safe and secure place. Okay, the country, the society. So that is something which is not going to end. So one need to keep a goal and the aim which is so high that should drive you throughout your life. So don't settle for small. So whatever you're doing, whichever area you're going, even if you go for a job also, always try to see what you can give it to the organization. Because if you think from that perspective, organization will always reward you. So stay committed. Just don't be sincere and hardworking. Okay. You need to stay committed to whatever you do. That's what I think.
मंजिल पाने की कसक दिल में इतनी तेज लगी, अगर हम चाहें तो पत्थर को भी पिघलना होगा, और लगा दे आग पानी में हम वो इरादा रखते हैं कि पैरों तले जमीन तो क्या आसमान को भी रखते हैं।
Ajit Balakrishnan, the man who took on the e-Goliaths, is the founder, current chairman and chief executive officer of Rediff.com, a highly successful internet site. He holds a bachelor's degree in physics from the University of Kerala and an MBA from IIM Kolkata, where he currently is the chairman of the Board of Governors. He also chairs the Ministry of IT Committee on the Internet Governance and Proliferation, and was recently named as the Chairman Emeritus of the Internet and Mobile Association of India.
I think the essence of entrepreneurship is to be a small guy and take on people who are Goliaths, many times the size of great courage. Because if you don't have the courage, you shouldn't be an entrepreneur. I don't see myself as a gambler at all, but I think there's a difference between gambling and risk-taking. In risk-taking, it really means that if things go horribly wrong, you don't lose your shirt. You must learn. There's a phrase in the Silicon Valley where all these things are flowering the best. They say, learn to fail cheaply. You must learn how to fail cheaply. That's the goal of entrepreneurship. I think the big challenge in India historically has been to get software developers who are really cutting edge. We have 2 million software developers in India, and presumably graduating, I'm told, 400,000 a year. But to get really cutting edge guys who know how to code to perfection is difficult. It continues to be difficult. Well, we don't hire 5,000 like Infosys and so on. We're looking for 5 or 6. That continues to be very, very difficult because some of our colleges are not turning that on. So that challenge continues You find people who can do product management, who know both the execution skills of moving people around as well as understand the web. Very difficult to find. Staffing always is a challenge, finding getting the right guys. Always. It's just, I think the best way to energize people and reduce conflict is fine. There's no problem having conflict. But to create productive conflict and let people do that is to make sure people don't personalize it and the conflict is about ideas. So I think yesterday we were having a massive conflict, about 50 people in the room. I spent half my time gently moving the conflict, keep the conflict, because there was a genuine issue about what feature to include in a product. But very often that comes presented as one guy saying, you never agree to anything that I say, it's only your ideas you want. The other guy says, no, it's not that, just because your ideas are stupid, that I don't accept it. So you can quickly escalate it. You pull them back and say, look guys, the issue is, do you need an archiving solution in a mail service? And they said, yeah. So let's just now discuss from the board, what are the challenges in implementing an archive? So you lift the discussion off to the real issue, but sometimes you can quickly degenerate. The first thing is not to give up easily. Because in a given month, there will be at least 5 problems which look unsolvable in front of you. And even at this stage, in spite of my years of experience, and when you're young and you're in the early 20s and you just started, many problems look unsolvable. And if you see the failure rates of startups, 80 to 90% happens in the first 2 years. But for me, being ethical is very important. Because as I said, I'm son and grandson of doctors, and my grandfather used to say, as a doctor, you do a good job with the patient and society will reward you. You don't need to go looking for money. So that was his belief. And he was a very well-to-do doctor. He never looked for money. Society will reward you. I personally believe that too. Society will reward you. So we made faith in such things.
निगाहों में मंजिल थी, गिरे और गिरकर संभलते रहे। हवाओं ने बहुत कोशिश की, मगर चिराग आंधियों में भी जलते रहे।
Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma was recently awarded Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2012 by Globe Oil India, one of the world's premier vegetable oil research organization. He is the chairman and managing director of the board of Lotus Refineries Private Limited. His vision to produce products of great taste, purity, and reach out to each and every household has shown the path of success to the company.
सबसे पहले यही 3 चीज़ें ज़रूरी होती हैं कि आपकी क्वालिटी अच्छी हो, आपकी वर्किंग यानी आपकी वहाँ पे इतनी हो कि आप कोई भी आदमी आए तो आपका ब्रांड अवेलेबल हो। तीसरा, आपका ब्रांड का नाम और पब्लिसिटी बहुत ज़रूरी है। इस इंडस्ट्री में मेरे पास जो लोग हैं वो ऑयल इंडस्ट्री से नहीं है, जो लोग इस लाइन से नहीं हैं उन लोगों के साथ हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं और अपने आप में आज मैं 2000 करोड़ से अबव का हूँ। जो काम आप करो उसके बारे में आपको पता हो, आपको नॉलेज हो कि आपने कितना इसमें कंटेंट, कितना आपके इसमें आपका कैस्ट्रोल है, कितना आप जो चीज़ बना रहे हैं वो मार्केट में आप जब सेल आउट कर रहे हैं तो उसके बारे में आपको नॉलेज होनी चाहिए। हम लोगों को सबसे पहले यही सीखना जरूरी है कि हमने एक बेस पे काम करना है या पूरे इंटरनेट। एजुकेशन मस्ट हो गई है। अब एजुकेशन मस्ट हुई तो ब्रांडेड वो मैंने कर दिया। 10 साल में भी लोग क्या करेंगे, वो खुला हुआ तेल नहीं खाएंगे, वो खुले हुए ब्रांड के पास नहीं जाएंगे, वो उस चीज के पास जाएंगे जो ब्रांडेड होगी, और वो मैं कर चुका हूं। इसलिए मैंने वो आने वाला समय प्लान किया है, इसलिए ही आज मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट की तो वो अर्निंग मेरी आज नहीं आ रही है, वो फ्यूचर के लिए है। एक बड़ा मगरमच्छ है, वो छोटी मछलियों को खा जाता है, पर जब मछलियां इकट्ठा होकर ऐसे चलती हैं ना तो वो मगरमच्छ से बड़ी लगती हैं। जब मेरी लाइफ में उतार चढ़ाव आए और प्रॉब्लम आई तो ही मुझे एक जीने की आदत पड़ी ना कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है। अगर जीने का मकसद आदमी को चाहिए तो उसके मन में कोई एम्स होना चाहिए, उसकी ताकत वहीं से बनती है। आपका एम, अगर आप
अपने एम पे अटल है, आपका टारगेट है, तो आपको दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं हटा सकती है। आपकी ताकत आप खुद हैं। आप अपनी ताकत से पूरा संसार बना सकते हैं। आप अपनी ताकत से कुछ भी नहीं रह सकते। तो आपको अपनी ताकत पे विश्वास होना चाहिए। मैं ये कहता हूँ कि आप अगर किसी चीज को टारगेट कर रहे हैं तो उस टारगेट से कभी भी आप पीछे ना हटो। हाँ, प्रॉब्लम आएंगी, आपके पास फंड नहीं होंगे, ये नहीं होगा, पर अगर आप एफर्ट्स कर रहे हैं तो उस एफर्ट्स को, ये नहीं है कि एकदम आप सीढ़ी चढ़ जाएंगे, उस एफर्ट्स को आपने छोड़ना नहीं है।
परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं। वही लोग रहते हैं खामोश अक्सर, जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं।
Dr. Vittal Kamath, an entrepreneur, a second-generation restaurateur, a pioneer in green hotels, environmentalist, educationalist, antiquarian, ornithologist, an author and globetrotter. Versatile style is only one of Dr. Vittal Venkatesh Kamath's defining attributes.
I have a dream, a song to sing. Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra, ta-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra, ra-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra, ra-ra-ra-ra. I have a dream. I have a dream. So, entrepreneur job is to provide facility, cater to the need, and for that a very simple formula: find the gap, map, tap. First you tap, then you map. The gap is found after that map and tap. Creativity is life. Creativity is the base, and creativity is a success. So, eye for detailing is your winning edge between you and your competitor. And your competitor does not see that detail, eye for detailing. He does not see that detail in detail. And that's why he becomes the tail, the rest becomes the leader, you know. Please write down, the risk is the only risk when you take a risk. There's no risk over risk. What work you do, don't bother. How much satisfaction, self-satisfaction you get from that work. And that is why I'm one of the best hoteliers in the world, because I don't like a dissatisfied face getting out of my business. My relatives are the people who work with me. So instead of that, change the definition of a relative. People who work with you well, people are part of you, they are your relatives. And also success is relative. More success, more relatives. So I'm meeting you all four. I hope and I'm sure the rest 116 are exactly like you. अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ, मैं भी आपके जैसा हूँ. So, looking at you, looking at your passion, looking at your desire, looking at your delivery, and most important, looking at the teamwork, I feel you will achieve it 1,000,000% out of 100%. And this will be a pathfinder for others. This will also be an eye-opener for the rest of the people. So your dream is not a dream. It is only a discovery. This is not a dream. जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है. जिंदगी के कई इंसान अभी बाकी है. अभी तो कर ली बस मुट्ठी भर जमीन, सारा आसमान अभी बाकी है.
यूं ना सब पर उंगलियां उठाया करो, खर्च करने से पहले कमाया करो, और जिंदगी क्या है ये खुद ही समझ जाओगे, तुम बारिशों में पतंगे उड़ाया करो.